Welcome to Techno with me.
Let's understand Vertex AI agent builder. So we are going to build one travel agent and then understand different tool technology, web search function and OpenAPI. So in earlier video we have seen how to connect the travel agent in the Vertex AI with the RAG cloud storage through the help of data store. Now we are going to create through the same thing with the OpenAPI specification. We'll connect to one third-party API which is related to currency converter, and that currency converter query questions will automatically go to OpenAPI specification through tool, and then it will connect to the API and respond to the user. And this is the request and response, right? It came last time on this particular conversation history. We are going to use API layer. Okay, so API layer currency converter search for this one, and then click on this one, and then this is the API layer which has all different type of APIs are hosted over here. Click on live demo, and it is sign in. So click on live demo and get convert. Click on this get convert, and this is the one that we are going to use. Okay. So what we are going to use? We are going to use curl. Let's go to curl, and this is the API key. Don't worry, I am going to revoke this particular API key. Let's go and then click put a amount and then select USD and then put GBP. Okay. Now click on the run code. See, sometimes this is a free API call, right? So you will not get that 100% response or performance always from this particular API layer. But this is the one that we are going to use, and it will be useful also. So this is the response, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to take help from any other like Gemini or any other like prompt or chat GPT, and then create one YML file for this particular curl command and this particular response. See, this is the OpenAPI schema that we are going to use. So this will be having like the one server URL, the endpoint URL, and then this is the path, convert path, and get method that is going to use convert currency from one to another, converts a specified amount from one currency to another based on a real-time exchange rate. Operation ID, convert currency, parameter that is going to use the to, right, and from. Okay, this will be in the query, and then response is also there, successful currency conversion, and this is the response. Okay, the like properties will have the number, and then we'll have the amount of the currencies to convert. Okay, so this is what we are going to use. So let's copy this one, our agent. Okay, let's give a name, currency convert country. Okay, so this is the type, OpenAPI type that we are going to use, and the descriptions, convert currency from one country to another. Let's put the YAML over here, and for the server side I would put the same descriptions that is present in the API. So now this is there. Okay, and over here if you scroll down, authentication type is there, service agent token. This would be helpful if you are actually, your API is actually hosted in this particular cloud platform, then you can use service agent token. Otherwise, what I will do, I will put the API key and request header, because we know our API key is in this header, right? And the name is API key. So let's go here and then name API key and put the API secret. That's it. Save it. Okay. So this is the second tool that we need to map, right? Currency converter country. Let's go to the playbook, open our playbook, and then help users with travel query, fetch city information and respond to user. I would say fetch currency converter from API and respond to user. For this reason, for this particular task, it's going to use a tool, currency converter country, to fetch currency converter. Right? Okay. So let's save it. Currency converter country is already selected. Now click on save. Okay. So let's reset the conversation and click on hi, type hi. Okay. I please share information about Tokyo, Japan. Okay. So very first tool got invoked, right? So Tokyo, Japan. Okay. What is the currency of Tokyo? This will directly go to the LLM. There is no tool required for this one because we have not associated anything related to this particular question. Now, please convert currency or not convert. What is the currency conversion rate from of 1 USD to GPY? So this may take little time because okay, so this is the one. Okay, 156 is the currency conversion rate, and how it is coming? It is coming from this using this particular tool, right? So you can see this is the input JPY and to and from. Okay, and this is the output. Okay, so this is what is present in our OpenAPI schema. Okay? So that's the way it is actually uh, able to retrieve that particular information. Okay, thank you. So now if we put thank you, so you are welcome. Is anything else I can help you with today? Definitely what we are going to build now, we are going to now build this particular cloud function related to temperature. Okay, so that your informations from you, like any city temperature informations, will also be retrieved through OpenAPI specification, and it will go back to the query to the user. Thank you.